In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your domain name in Ionos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to smoothly move from your old domain name to a new one inside your Ionos account. First, make sure you're signed in to your Ionos control panel in your web browser. This is your main dashboard where you manage all of your hosting, domains, and related services. If you're not already logged in, open the Ionos website, click the login option, and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, you should see the control panel home screen with an overview of your products. From here, you'll want to get to the section where your domain settings are managed. Look for the option labeled Domains and SSL. This is where Ionos groups everything related to your domain names, including registration, DNS settings, and security certificates. Click on Domains and SSL to open the domain management area. On this page, you'll see a list of any domains already connected to your account. To change your domain name, you aren't literally renaming the existing one. Instead, you're adding or buying a new domain that will replace the old one for your website or project. To start that process, find and click the button that says Add Domain or Buy Domain. Depending on your current setup or region, you might see one or the other, or even both, but they lead you into the same general flow. Choosing a new domain name. After clicking that button, you'll be taken to a search field where you can look for your desired domain. Type in the new domain name you want to use without any spaces. The system will check availability for the extension you've chosen, like .com, .net, or a more specific one such as .shop or .online. Take a moment to think about a domain that's easy to remember, simple to spell, and reflects your brand or project. It's also a good idea to avoid special characters or very long names because those can be harder for visitors to type correctly. Once you enter your desired name, Ionos will show you whether it's available. If it's not, you'll usually see suggested alternatives with different extensions or slightly different spellings. You can try a few variations until you find one that's both available and fits what you want. When you see that your chosen domain is available, go ahead and select it to proceed. You'll then move into the checkout process. Here, review the details carefully, confirm the domain name is exactly correct, look at the registration period, and check any optional add-ons, such as privacy protection if it's offered. Follow the prompts on screen to complete your purchase or domain addition. This usually involves confirming your contact details and payment method. After you've completed the checkout, the new domain will be added to your Ionos account and will appear back in the Domains and SSL section. From there, you can point it to your website or hosting package, set up email addresses, and configure any DNS records you need. And that's the full process. You log into your Ionos control panel, go to Domains and SSL, click Add Domain or Buy Domain, search for the new name you want, and if it's available, complete the checkout to secure it.